At least 2 people have been killed in what's being described as the biggest storm to hit Japan in years. Typhoon Nanmadol made landfall late Sunday in the south, still making its way up the country. Rob McBride has the latest.
Typhoon Nanmadol is one of the most powerful typhoons to hit the main islands of Japan. And even though winds are now easing as it makes its way up the Japanese island group, there will be very few parts of Japan that will escape its impact. When it first made landfall, especially over the southern island of Kyushu, it raised all kinds of alerts and warnings of violent winds, of flood-causing rains. One prefecture in the island of Kyushu has recorded 900 millimeters of water. Millions of people were encouraged, were advised to evacuate their homes, to seek shelter. There has been some damage. We do know there have been some landslides. For a time, thousands of people had their electricity cut off, and there have been, sadly, casualties. But it does appear as though the various preparations put in place, and Japan knew this was going to be a big storm and had time to prepare, that casualties have been hopefully kept to a minimum. Places in Japan, especially the southern island of Kyushu, given the fact that they do seem to be now facing more extreme weather events, especially these heavy summer rains and storms coming out of the Pacific, have put in place special measures to defend against the worst of what these storms can throw at it. And the hope will be that those measures have done enough to lessen the impact of this typhoon.